Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can personalize your account in Pinterest, and in this case mobile app. I'm using iPhone at the moment, but it will work fine for basically every single device. First of all, as you can see, we want to go to Saved on the bottom right, and there's on our top right, there's this hexagon, and we are going to press it. And as you can see, there are all the settings that Pinterest provides for us. You can edit profile here, you can go to the account settings and so on, and really tweak it all you want. So that's about it. You can find it once again. It's a little bit tricky. It's not in the home button, not in search, not in notification, but let's go to saved in top right corner. Click on this hexagon. You can add an account, you can log out here, and so on and so on. Well, once again, thanks for watching and